Aloha Kauai, here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, July 24th. Happy Aloha Friday. There were no new cases reported today and we remain at 0 active cases. Our cumulative case count to date is 43. While we have had a good run of having no new cases here on Kauai, it's important to note we've had yet another record day with 60 new cases confirmed across the state. I want to say again that now is not the time to travel. Flying off island should be limited to essential needs only. I know it has been difficult for many to stay in place, but the more people travel, the more we put our island at risk. A majority of our cases here in Kauai came from residents who traveled and unknowingly came home with the virus and passed it on to others in their household. So please continue to be responsible. Stay home as much as possible. Wear your mask, keep your physical distance from others, and wash and sanitize your hands. While we continue to be mindful of the ongoing pandemic, our highest priority right now is monitoring and preparing for Hurricane Douglas, which is on track to begin impacting the state over the weekend. Today, we have signed an emergency proclamation authorizing preemptive and protective action and relief for disaster-related damages, losses, and suffering in order to provide for the health, safety, and welfare of the people of Kauai. My proclamation follows Governor David Ige's announcement that he signed a statewide emergency proclamation on Thursday. Our community is resilient and we will overcome all challenges if we properly prepare ourselves and our families. We knew we were in hurricane season, so we should all have our family emergency supply kits ready. But for those who need to use this time to further prepare, we have our Kauai Emergency Management Agency Emergency Management Administrator, Elton Ushio, here to offer some additional tips and information.
Aloha Kauai and Ihau. The Kima Emergency Operations Center is activated in support of both incidents, Tropical Cyclone Douglas and the COVID-19 pandemic. We have a proven and experienced all hazards incident management team here, working constantly to protect Kauai and Ihau from these two threats. Our IMT is working in close coordination and leveraging the whole of government, so federal, state, and county, as well as our community-based and private sector partners to do all that we can to prepare for Tropical Cyclone Douglas. That being said, preparedness and resiliency starts at the individual and family levels. So all of you working together with all of us. With that, 3 main points we want you to think about and try to do. 1, as a community, individually, with your families, stay informed. Keep track of local media. Forecasts change. State and county will regularly put out media releases. We'll announce when, where we open shelters, etc. as the situation develops. And we'll provide other guidance. 2, have a plan. Have a plan for yourselves and your ohana. Know what you're going to do when certain thresholds are met, like say when a storm, say a tropical cyclone watch or warning are issued. Shelters may be open at the appropriate time, but decide ahead of time if it's better for you to shelter in place, which may be a good consideration during a pandemic, or if you will go to a public shelter for those who don't have an adequate place of sheltering. Finally, as Mayor had already mentioned, have your kits, your emergency supplies kit, ideally with a 14-day supply of food, water, and other essentials. Yes, during this pandemic, given the various challenges of supply in the stores and available funding, not everyone will be able to get a 14-day supply kit, but do the best you can because again, preparedness starts with all of you and all that you can do, that we can do together makes it easier for our team to help you. So, thank you.
Thank you, Elton, and to the entire team in our EOC. I know that we're all much safer knowing that you folks are well planned and prepared for any upcoming challenge. Planning for a hurricane right during a pandemic is going to be slightly different as we need to protect ourselves from 2 different emergency situations. Everyone should be utilizing this time to prepare your home and property to protecting against heavy rain, flooding, high winds, and storm surge. Those working on active construction sites, please make sure you are securing those work sites so they do not pose a hazard to neighboring properties. In addition to having a 14-day stock of emergency supplies, make sure you and your family are prepared with masks and hand sanitizers in case you need to leave your home and seek shelter. The Kauai Red Cross will open shelters on an as-needed basis. Cloth face masks will be required upon entry. For more information on shelters and other hurricane preparedness information, visit our KEMA website at www.kauai.gov/KEMA. We will provide updates to the public as this situation develops. In the meantime, please sign up for the county's mass notification system by also going to the KEMA website and click on the Sign Up Now Blackboard Connect button. Updates will also be posted in real time on our official County of Kauai Facebook page at www.facebook.com/County of Kauai. Please stay informed and be safe, Kauai and Niihau. As we go out to prepare for the storm, it is imperative that you practice safety measures. That means stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.